At 65, I've learned to love my laugh lines, but let's be honest, I don't exactly invite new ones to join the party. Over the years, I've tried creams, serums, and masks that promised miracles. Some worked a little, some not so much. But do you know what really made a difference? The foods I eat every day. Yes, you heard me right, my meals are my beauty routine. The foods I put on my plate have done more for my skin than anything I've ever bought in a jar. So today, I want to share with you the 3 anti-aging foods that have helped me smooth wrinkles, brighten my skin, and glow from the inside out. These are the exact foods I eat regularly, and trust me, they work. Stay with me until the end, because the last one might surprise you, and it's delicious too. One. Avocados, my green secret weapon. Let's start with one of my daily favorites, the avocado. I call it my edible moisturizer. I eat half an avocado almost every morning, usually on toast with a sprinkle of chia seeds or sometimes blended in a smoothie. Avocados are rich in healthy monounsaturated fats, which help keep my skin soft and hydrated. These good fats act like natural skin oil from within, helping my face stay plump, instead of dry and tired looking. And let's be real, at 65, I'll take all the plumpness I can get. They're also packed with vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your skin cells from damage. Over time, stress, sun, and pollution can break down collagen, but vitamin E helps slow that process down. One more thing I love: when you eat avocado with other foods, it helps your body absorb more nutrients, especially carotenoids from vegetables. That means you're not just nourishing your skin, you're maximizing every bite. If you ever needed a reason to love guacamole or avocado toast a little more, this is it. It's nature's anti-wrinkle cream, and it tastes divine. Two. Salmon, my Sunday skin saver. Now, let's talk about my favorite dinner, grilled salmon. I eat salmon at least twice a week, and I swear, it's one of the main reasons my skin feels firmer and more radiant today than it did in my 50s. Salmon is full of omega-3 fatty acids, which keep your skin elastic and hydrated. These healthy fats strengthen your cell membranes. Think of them as the cushions that keep your skin smooth and bouncy. Without enough omega-3s, your skin can look dull, dry, and older than it really is. Salmon also contains astaxanthin, the red pigment that gives it that pretty pink color. Astaxanthin is one of the most powerful antioxidants for the skin. It helps fight inflammation, protects against UV damage, and improves elasticity. I like to think of salmon as my edible collagen protector. Every time I eat it, I imagine it repairing and firming my skin from within, like a spa treatment on a plate. My favorite way to enjoy it: pan-seared with olive oil, lemon, and a side of green vegetables. And if I'm feeling fancy, I'll toss a few avocado slices on top, double the glow. Three. Blueberries, my sweet little skin berries. Now, let's end with my favorite treat, blueberries. Every morning, I throw a handful into my oatmeal or yogurt. They're tiny, but don't underestimate them. They're like little blue wrinkle fighters. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants, especially anthocyanins, which protect your skin from oxidative stress, one of the biggest causes of aging. These antioxidants fight free radicals that damage your collagen and cause wrinkles to deepen. They're also rich in vitamin C, which your body needs to make collagen, the protein that keeps your skin firm and smooth. Think of collagen as your skin scaffolding. Without enough of it, everything starts to sag a little. What I love most is how they improve circulation, giving your skin that healthy, youthful glow. When your blood flow is strong, oxygen and nutrients reach every cell, even the ones responsible for your skin's radiance. And the best part, they're naturally sweet, so I don't crave desserts as much. A small bowl of blueberries feels like a treat, but it's secretly working overtime to erase fine lines. Sometimes I even freeze them. They taste like tiny sorbet bites and give me a nice cooling treat after a walk. So there you have it, avocados, salmon, and blueberries, 3 simple, delicious foods that truly help erase wrinkles from the inside out. I don't follow complicated routines or expensive products anymore. I just nourish my body with what it understands best, real food. And let me tell you this, aging doesn't mean fading. It means flourishing, with wisdom, confidence, and health. At 65, I feel more comfortable in my skin than ever before. Sure, I have wrinkles, but they're softened, my skin glows, and I feel proud of how far I've come. If you want to start glowing from within, start small. Add half an avocado to your breakfast, eat salmon a couple of times a week, and toss some blueberries into your day. In a few weeks, you'll notice your skin thanking you, and your mirror smiling back. If this video inspired you, give it a thumbs up. It really helps other amazing women find this channel. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to Health Flex, where I share my best personal tips for staying healthy, happy, and radiant at every age. Because aging gracefully isn't about turning back time, it's about loving yourself more each day. Stay beautiful, stay strong, and as I always say, eat well, laugh often, and let your glow do the talking.